Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Hyundai Santa Fe with key step by step. Insert the key fully into the ignition, turn to ACC, then to on to verify dash lights, press the brake, and turn to start to crank the engine. If the engine does not start, check battery connections and fuel gauge, try again, or use the physical key blade for door access before troubleshooting electrical components. Before starting your Hyundai Santa Fe, make a quick safety routine to prevent issues. Confirm park or neutral, engage the parking brake when needed, and scan the dash for any service lights or alerts. Also check that doors are closed and seat belts are fastened to avoid electrical lockout warnings. These simple checks save time and keep you safe when you turn the key and head out on the road. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The O'Ala water bottle is great for road trips and fits cup holders, keeps drinks cold, and avoids spills while you focus on starting your car. I use it during long troubleshooting sessions, and it saves me from a sticky steering wheel, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your Santa Fe fails to start, stay calm and methodical while troubleshooting. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and tighten any loose connections. Try the spare key or physical blade if the fob is dead, and listen for clicking that hints at a weak battery or starter. If cleaning and a spare key don't work, consider jump starting or calling roadside assistance to avoid causing further electrical damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.